everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you this beautiful style that I was just playing with and pulling it up and having a lot of fun with. I will pull it down and show you the whole style the way it comes in the box, but I wanted to show you real quick before I get started how beautiful this hairstyle looks pulled up in a clip. I mean, the bangs and everything, the way that it flows, the permatease on top, it just adds a beautiful quick updo that looks like you spent a lot more time on it than I actually did. Anyway, this is by TressAllure Wigs, and this is a synthetic wig called Ashlyn. This is actually a basic cap wig. So you have, permatease and your wefting, your machine wefting. But I am impressed with the fibers. The color on this here wig is dark amber. I really like this color. I've tried it one time before and I knew I loved it. So trying it on this here Ashland wig, it is a plus. It is beautiful. I love a good rooted brunette because there aren't many out there, and this one is a good one. Especially being a basic cap wig, I am one where I like a smudge root on my basic caps. Personally, my preference is I feel like it helps hide the permatease and base materials a little bit more, makes it look more natural with that dark root. That is just my personal humble opinion for my hair wearing, and this is what dark amber provides. Okay, so let's take this here really cute updo out. It wasn't hard to do, so I can do it again. This here Ashland wig is a very long, layered, gorgeous style. You have these slight soft waves and a face framing bang. This bang kind of just tapers into the rest of the wig and its layers. You have that very subtle, distinct glam going on here with this slight soft curl. So it looks natural, yet gives you a little bit of drama and glamour. Have the TressAllure Effortless Synthetic Fiber. This fiber is wonderful denier. It mimics natural human hair. It feels and looks great. This is straight out of the box. I don't feel like it looks too shiny. It doesn't look dull. It is just a vibrantly beautiful fiber and color. I've always been impressed with TressAllure fibers. They seem to look really good straight out of the box and with, wearing multiple times. Now this does have some permatease or permalift. It looks like it's been pre-teased for a nice voluminous full look. You can brush down some of that bulk and lift and create more of a smooth, sleek top, but that fullness that you feel, that permatease that's in there, it does give that lift to give it the gorgeous silhouette that it has and hide those base materials. Now this TressAllure wig is an average wig. It fits me really well from front to nape, from ear to ear. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, including TressAllure, and it feels nice and snug yet secure. In fact, speaking of security, TressAllure has these wig grippers. Speaking of security, these wig grips really do keep your wig on tight. You won't feel any shifting or movement. Honestly, you could probably go on a roller coaster and it wouldn't fly off. No need for adhesives. Often when somebody wears a more petite size, they can put on a wig gripper, and this will actually make their wig fit better. If there was a little bit of shifting, it felt a little bit too roomy, the wig gripper can make it feel more secure. I have a wig gripper on and it feels very tight. In fact, I am so true average in size. The wig gripper is making it almost a little bit too snug for me, but I do like having a wig grip because they are just nice to make that wig not budge. These wigs are ready to wear wigs though, so there is no need for adhesives. You do have the adjusters at the nape. It's meant to fit and contour to the head without the need for adhesives. The texture is wavy curly. It does look nice and sleek and soft. It's not like overly curly, but it does have that slight wave. This is part of TressAllure's Classic Look collection. And let's do a full turnaround, show you guys Ashland from all angles. Okay, let's take Ashlyn off and show you the underside of the cap construction. So as you can see, I have this wig grip on. This is a lighter beigey color and this is a light brown. So what you have going on here is TressAllure's Cool Comfort Cap. The soft open net and open wefting allows for great airflow and ventilation. The stretch wefting provides secure comfort and molds itself to the contours of the head. You have your adjustable straps at the nape so you can loosen and tighten it, make it more secure and fit your head more true to size. You have your ear tabs with this lacy material and the hair does wrap around that ear tab. I do believe that having the hair wrap around, it just looks more seamless and creates a more realistic appearance. You have your closed wefted top. That's where you have that built-in permalift or permatease. Can see that right there. It is quite full, so you can add lots of volume even up at the front hairline. You have, you know, permatease. If you wanted to kind of smooth out some of that permatease, you can do that, but you do have, you know, a lot of beautiful volume at the crown and top of the head because of that permalift. You can see the beautiful layers and how it tapers down is a little bit thinner on the bottom because of those gorgeous wavy layers. The layers taper up on the side and blend into this gorgeous longer bang on both sides. Here is a closer look of that dark amber color. And we didn't really talk about dark amber in depth, although I have reviewed dark amber before. It is a medium red brown and light red brown blend with dark brown roots and a champagne highlight, a champagne blonde highlight. So you have that gorgeous blend of red brown and light red brown, auburn, just a gorgeous reddish brown with dark brown roots and those champagne blonde highlights. It is so pretty. Okay, let's put Ashlyn back on. When you first put her on, she is full, being upside down, and then you can take your comb, your brush. You should use a wide tooth comb and smooth it down if that's what you'd like to do, fluff it up, however you'd like to wear the hair. Those who like to have that very full top, you can obtain that lifted voluminous style with this kind of cap construction. Now the fringe on Ashlyn is 8 inches. The crown is 17.5 inches and your nape is 16.5 inches. What are your thoughts on Ashlyn by TressAllure? You guys definitely go hop on that. If you have been looking at a TressAllure wig, go to your favorite retailer. I will have a store locator down below and I will have the link and more information to this Ashlyn wig down below. Definitely go follow TressAllure on their social media platforms. Go check out me on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms. I want to thank TressAllure for the opportunity to share this beautiful Ashlyn wig with you guys today. Let me know what you think about this basic cap wig. I'd probably love this wig even more with like a lace front monofilament top, just because I like to be able to part and creative style. But really for a basic cap wig and for a wig that's long and this type of style, they did a wonderful job with the permalift. You do feel it in that base, but it, you know, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful, and this color is divine. Please give me a like and a follow if this was helpful and you are looking for more wig reviews and content. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.